Now when you look at the other two options that I made, look at this one. I put out $500, but look at what the resale value is. $9.86. That's like you took an option almost to the very brink of expiration, and now you're trying to sell it. Basically, the money's gone. Okay, so keep this in mind when you're trading these options. So again, let's look at a couple of different scenarios. I don't think I got to this yet. $50 on the top is going to pay out $115.04. The $50 on the bottom is going to pay out $124.74. Okay, that's our payout. So let's look at worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is the market trades just like this, in between. And actually, the absolute worst case scenario would be the market comes up here, comes in 1 pip here, comes down 1 pip there, and then continues trading. Okay? Just far enough that we don't get paid. Remember, the midpoint, halfway between the bid and the offer, has to trade inside of the box in order for them to pay out. So that would be worst case scenario. What does that mean? We're out the $100. So that would be a loss of $100. Okay, so our risk at this point is $100. Okay, erase all that. So we'll put that up here. Risk equals 100. Now let's look at our possible reward scenario. Reward scenario number 1 is up here. Okay, just the market comes up, trades in, and just goes like this. Let's say it stays in this area and goes sideways and just goes right through our box. And we get paid out on the top box here. Since we paid $50, we have to subtract that to get our what I would call our true return. So 115.04 minus 50, 65.04 is our profit. Okay, because we spent the $50. 65.04 divided by 50 is 130%. Okay? That's number 1. Number 2 is this scenario here. 124.74 minus 50. 24.74 minus 50 is $74.74 divided by our original investment. I just realized I made a mistake on the first one, so let me back up. Sorry about that. Somebody out there must have been thinking it. Okay, let's do it over. 115.04 minus what? 100. Remember, we've got to buy 2 positions. Our risk is $100. Okay, I was going too fast. So $15.04, right? 15.04 divided by 100, 15%. So 15% for what? 3 hours worth of work. Okay, is scenario number 1. Now remember, you've got to keep this in perspective. Literally, okay, let's not say 15 minutes worth of work, but a day. Okay, let's say a full day, 24 hours, and you're making 15% on your money. You know, that's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal possibility. So let's look at the second. 124.74 minus 100, 24.74 or 24%. Okay, 24% a day, in a day.